Hey guys, this is Hanson for Fil-Am Brothers, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be showing you how to check the analytics of your YouTube channel. So we're going to go here to YouTube Studio. So here you can see you can have some analytics just right here. But to get the best information, you got to click here on the analytics on the left here in YouTube Studio. And then here, if you look here on the right, you can see the viewership of your channel in the last 48 hours. So for our channel, we're getting more viewers on the weekends than we do during the week, which makes sense because on the weekends people would have more time to watch videos. So now if you want to view even more, you got to go here, click here to see more. So we're going to start here with subscription status. So here you can see that almost all of our viewers are people who are not subscribed to the channel. See, almost 95% of our viewers are not subscribed. Only 5%, about 5% are subscribed. So we're gonna go over here to video now, and this gives you a breakdown of how all your videos are doing. So this, you can see the viewership, the watch time, how many subscribers that video earned you, the revenue you're making from that video, the impressions you're making from that video, as well as the click-through rate for each video. So here's just the breakdown for all of our videos. So now we're going to move on to geography. As you can see, this gives you the geography of your viewers. So as you can see for our channel, most of our viewers are from the United States, and only around 2% are from the Philippines. This will vary by channel, but for our channel, most of our viewers are from the United States. And so, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial of looking at your channel analytics. Please subscribe if you haven't so already, and please like and comment. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.